Our job is to find points on the graph that connect with the statements that we have. So if you have two numbers with a sum of 2, that actually goes back to the part of the question that we just dealt with lines N and M. And all of the points on line N had a sum of 2, so that means that points A, B, and C have a sum of 2. Then on to the second part of this, two numbers where the y-coordinate is 10 less than the x-coordinate. Likewise, that had to do with the description for line M, so that's going to be points D, B, and E. And then finally, two numbers with a sum of 2 where the y-coordinate is less than 10 less than the x-coordinate. So that's really an overlap of those two things, and that is the intersection of the two lines, and the only one that works for that is point B.